Hi, my name is Montana Wright, and my informative presentation today is on HIV and AIDS. The CDC has reported that over 1 million people have died in the U.S. since the AIDS epidemic began. In my presentation, I will help inform you on what HIV and AIDS is and how you can contract it and what some of the myths surrounding this virus is. I will inform you on how you can protect yourself and give you the tools so that you can talk to others about this topic. HIV is the human immunodeficiency virus. It is a breakdown of the immune system, and it reproduces by taking over your T cells. T cells are the good cells that protect your body from infection and keep you healthy. When you contract the HIV virus, the T cells become the host for the disease, causing your body to become vulnerable against the disease. If HIV is treated and maintained, you can live a healthy lifestyle and live long and productively. AIDS is acquired immune deficiency syndrome and is the final stage of HIV. When HIV turns into AIDS, this means that your T cell count is low and that your body is now not able to protect you from the disease. You are now at risk of dying. Someone that has contracted the HIV may have some of the following symptoms, such as tiredness, headaches, and swollen lymph nodes. It is similar to having a flu. This is the main reason why some people do not go and get checked, because they think that they're just sick. In 2011, the CDC did an article on HIV in the United States. According to them, 1.2 million people have HIV in the United States, and 1 out of 5 people do not know that they have it. I read that some people can have the HIV virus for up to 10 years without knowing they have it, and that as many as 15,000 people a day are infected by this virus. Magic Johnson contracted the HIV virus in 1991, which brought dramatic attention to the disease. He became the face of HIV and has used his fame to educate others. But before Magic Johnson, there was Ryan White. Ryan White contracted the HIV virus in 1980 from a blood transfusion. Many ridiculed him because they knew very little about this disease. Now, in 50 states, we have clinics named after him, including here in Boise, Idaho. There are many misconceptions about how you can contract this virus. You can't get it from kissing someone or sitting next to somebody with the HIV virus or drinking out of a cup from someone that has the virus. Everybody needs to realize that this disease is not the gay man's disease, and know that everybody is at risk as long as they are not being educated. Which brings me to my next topic, how you can contract the disease. Blood, semen, pre-semen, breast milk, vaginal fluid, rectal fluid, and sharing dirty needles. Even though gays, bisexuals, and other men who have sex with men of all races and ethnicity remain the most severely affected by HIV at 61%, heterosexual men and women and drug abusers still make up a large portion of the statistic. So how can you protect yourself? Have safe sex and wear a condom. Don't do drugs or share dirty needles. And don't be afraid to talk to your partner about their sexual history. In conclusion, I have told you what AIDS is and how you can contract it. What are some of the misconceptions about this disease and how you can protect yourself? The #1 way of stopping the spread of this virus is education.